6 Innovation Parkway, Building A. This is. Looks like we have Alex here. An Alex lift. Why does that lift make it sound like it's Sheena Smart? East Coast lifts. These buttons, they actually pop in so cheap. Very interesting in my opinion. Made by Alex. It isn't Alex, I got it right. Very interesting and strange at the same time. Boss maintenance. Not surprising because the boss is actually right across the road, 100 meters away in a separate building. Oh, this feels pretty well built. I'm actually pretty surprised. Oh, well built enough for a generic, I'm saying. Not even close to like a Schindler 5500 or anything, but still not too bad. Like, 6 buildings here apparently. It's still 2008. Very interesting lift. Leveling's not too bad either. Well, not like brand, but that's okay. Building B has a Gen 2 Asian edition. Just like on the resort. Three doors, that's kind of rare for Gen 2. Boss lift maintenance again. 2008 installation date again. $1,000 kilograms, 13 persons. Three doors, surprisingly. Cab. Cab's typical Gen 2 cab, not that surprising, but. 7 segment display. Better than LCD at least. Show the pre-doors. Surprisingly, it has pre-doors. Slight pre-doors, not that good. Lift number 1. Oh, lift number 1 in building B. See, another Gen 2. Hopefully they're not all rested in the Gen 2s, because that'd be really boring. 2011 installation date for this one. It's pretty much the same. There's 3 doors there. Yeah, so it's pretty much identical. I actually kind of like Gen 2 buttons, not too bad. Well, they're bad quality, but they feel nice at least. Yeah, it's the same as building B. Well, it's even though it's much. Even though it's 3 years new, it's pretty much identical. Well, it is identical actually. Building C, same capacity and everything.